Walang karapatan ang Pilipinas sa Ayungin Shoal at itigil na ang tila paghahamon ng gulo ng Philippine Coast Guard. Yan ang kakalabas lang na panibagong kasinungalingan ng Chinese Foreign Ministry. Pero pinagtatawanan lang yan ni dating Supreme Court Associate Justice Antonio Carpio. Hamon ng Armed Forces of the Philippines sa China kung totoong pagmamay-ari ng China ang Ayungin Shoal, bakit hindi na lang idaan sa pinakamataas na hukom para magkaalaman na?
I challenge to them, bring this to arbitration so that it will be finally settled in accordance with the UN Charter.
Pinagtatawanan naman ni Armed Forces Chief Romeo Brawner ang kasinungalingang propaganda ng China. Pero may itinagulat ang AFP chief tungkol dito. Bukod kasi sa patuloy na pag-aangkin sa Ayungin Shoal, may pinagkakalat pa ang Chinese Coast Guard na pinalayas raw nito ang Philippine Navy warship sa Scarborough Shoal, na mariing naman pinasinungalingan ng AFP. Chinese Coast Guard versus Philippine Navy warship, baka China pa ang bombahin pag nangyari yan.
Hindi totoo yun. Propaganda lang ng China. Yun pa rin ang stand namin. It's Chinese propaganda. It's not true. There is no truth. If ever kung may barko tayo doon, hindi tayo palalayasin. We will not, hindi tayo papayag na exclusive economic zone.
Pati si Prof. J. Batong Bakal ay nagulat sa pinagsasabi ng Chinese Foreign Ministry na tila walang utak ang mga Chinese, na pati kanilang mga sinasabi ay hindi na nialam na mali talaga. Ayungin Shoal ay nasa loob ng exclusive economic zone ng Pilipinas. Malinaw na sakop ng teritoryong pagmamay-ari ng Pilipinas ang Ayungin Shoal.
Beijing has been the one that has abused the Philippines' goodwill in all these years. Okay? It is the one that is claiming without justification, without any factual or legal basis, the Philippines' waters. Seems to indicate that they do not even know what it is. It is also part of the Philippines continental shelf and EEZ that was ruled upon by the South China Sea arbitration already back in 2016. Okay, so its claim of absolute sovereignty or indisputable sovereignty has absolutely no basis in fact or law.
Inanunsyo rin ni Prof. J na nakahanda ang Pilipinas sa susunod na resupply mission. Ibinahagi na nga nito na Philippine Navy warship na ang aalalay sa Philippine Coast Guard, may padalang ang supply sa Ayungin Shoal. Pagpalag ito sa Navy warship ng China nitong nakaraang resupply mission.
Government must not allow itself to be provoked into making the first move, to giving China any excuse for an overwhelming and disproportionate response. The government should also continue to stand its ground based on international law and insist on China's compliance with the law and the peaceful modes of dispute settlement.
Talagang lahat ng pahayag ng China ay binabatikos ng Pilipinas. Magandang indikasyon to na hindi tayo natatakot labanan ng China. Kayo, anong inyong reaksyon tungkol dito? Ikomento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.